just want to make sure that you guys use Google Chrome when you fill this form out. And always use the golden rule. Please use a desktop computer or a laptop computer.
Nice.
If you submit the form using a phone or a tablet, it might not work. So
Gotcha.
just please be advised for that.
This commission tracking form is for individual bookings only, and so if you do have a group booking, you would just click on the link provided and it will take you to the travel cafe for the group booking form. Let's try to fill out this form. So first you would just click on a button. So today we're going to click on the cruise button. Alrighty, and now we are going to fill out the necessary information that is required. And so the first one we're going to do is the primary traveler's first and last name. If you don't know the primary travelers, you can always contact us and we can help you with that. So we're just going to fill out their phone number and then their email address. Alrighty, so then we're going to do the departure date, and so as you can tell, you don't have to type it in. You can if you'd like to, but you can also choose the date. So we're going to choose a date. Alrighty, perfect. Alrighty, so now we're going to type in the ship name of the cruise ship. If you don't know the ship name, you can always contact the supplier and they are happy to give you that ship name. Alrighty, so now we're going to go to the suppliers.
Whoa, Krista, I don't see my supplier.
Yeah, so not every supplier is listed on here. So if you do have a supplier that is not on here, you would just click that other button down there. But today we're going to click on Carnival. Alrighty, and so we're going to put in the booking / reservation number in here. As you can see that this booking number isn't 6 digits long, and so Carnival does have their booking number, which is 6 digits long. And so all we're going to do is take out one number and then it will let you submit it, as you can tell. And so now we're going to input the total price. Alrighty, awesome. And then we're going to submit the form. Perfect, so it's submitted. And so just to make sure, you will get an automatic email once you do submit the commission tracking form.
And so that's it for this video.
Yeah, and if you do need any help on filling out the commission tracking form, or if you're having any technical issues, our contact information will be at the end of this video. Alrighty, have a good day, bye-bye.